Hey, what's up, guys? I am creating a fresh workflow video on how to set up the new Stats plugin. Um, we're gonna go from scratch. So let's get started. All right, we're just going to create a project. I'm gonna name it uh, Stats System, Stats Setup. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna create a plugins folder. We're gonna go to the link. You gotta, there's three branches. So you got main. This will be the default landing page. You want to go to stats component 5.7. We're going to download the zip. I wouldn't do it with the get desktop because I'm constantly changing things and it'll update and I don't think you want that because it might send something with some bugs. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, go into our plugins folder. Okay, now we got that set up. Just go to run this. This video might be a little long, probably like 20 minutes, I think. All right, just gonna dismiss that. Let's do some project setting stuff real quick. Directories. I'm gonna add a directory. I don't know why it does this, but I don't recall having to do this before, but now I do this so that all my plugins become available during the drop downs. Okay, so we got plugins while we're here. We're gonna add the gameplay tags. See what I mean? Once we restart the project, the plugins items will become available. Data tables. Hmm, that's interesting. There should be a CSV. Hmm, okay, so I started off on the wrong foot. That's odd. Oh, I know why. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, man. Yeah, so I forgot. This guy did not update the project, so this is a 5.7, so we have to do it in place. Switch Unreal versions. So now it should show up. Okay, so we've got that going. Uh, what's next? Okay, we're gonna go to ARPG, modifier calculations type, and add a new enumerator, subtract. Just gonna save that, we can close that. Okay, that can be closed, and I'm gonna go ahead and open the interface. Sorry, the functions library. This is where all the stuff we need is going to be located. I created all these little functions or whatever. They might be errored out, don't worry about it, but everything we need is here. Okay, so let's start by opening the character. Go to the event graph. Just go to the state manager component. Sorry, we're supposed to grab this first. I'm going to copy remove souls, add it to the functions, back to the event graph. Okay, then we're going to go back while we're here. We're going to add the clear. Okay. Don't worry about that. We're going to fix all of this. Just don't compile. Just leave it as is. I'm going to go to state manager. Let's state begin. Refresh that. And statement present. Okay, now we're going to go to blueprints. Okay, let's just add this to our favorites. Okay, go to advanced game instance. Class settings. I'm going to add a BPI effect duration and BPI stats update. Save interfaces. Promote that to a variable. Let's cut. We're going to put this over here. And we're going to do this set duration. Promote that to a variable. We're going to name it effect duration. Okay. And get effect duration. It's just and it gets has upgraded. Save. Now we're going to go to save game. Oh, it was right there, wasn't it? Now we have to save game data. We have to open it. Okay. So we're going to go to save game. We're going to take all of these. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. We're going to create all of these files. Just delete them after creating them. You can organize them if you like. I usually do, but to shorten the video, I'm not going to do it this soon. I'm going to move that there since I'm going to be using this the most. Okay, so this is load. I'm going to go to game instance, event graph. I'm going to paste this here. Now these are available. I'm going to create 2 pins. They're labeled. All right, so this one goes to 4. And this one goes to 5. Save that. Go back. And then we're going to go to the save game data. I'm going to copy all of this. That's game instance. We're going to paste that here. Oh, okay. So just delete this. Save class defaults. We're going to enable save game. Okay, so the game instance stuff is done. Next, we are going to go to the attributes component. Attributes component. we are going to do modify attribute first. We're going to copy all of this just so you can see. We're grabbing the top half, copied it, we're going to paste it, move it back a little bit. We're going to go from subtract to subtract. We're going to move this from add to subtract. We're going to change this to subtract. I'm going to change this to subtract. Save. And do this again for the bottom. These are structured differently, so yes, you have to do them separately. You can't just duplicate what you've already done. All right, so now we get that. Now we're going to go to current attribute value. We already, I try to make this as easy as possible, so I already have these laid out for you. So set current attribute. Just going to copy this here. Plug that there, there. I'm going to promote this to a local variable, just to be clear. And then we're going to set the base attribute. And we're going to shift this over. You can just copy all of that if you want. Once again, local value variable. Okay, we got that. We got that. Now what's next? Oh, okay. So we got gonna find gameplay effects. Perfect. On initialize, we're gonna do handle duration. We're gonna open handle duration. We're gonna go to, you could just grab all of this, copy, and delete this one, just to be easier. So you could just paste this in. This is how we grab the timer. Oh man, what the heck? Okay, so let's back that up a little bit. Okay, so let's just go ahead and just grab this stuff instead. Not really sure why. My last test it worked, but this time it didn't. I don't know. I just did do a little update, so things might have changed. This is all you need. Okay, that should all be good now. Good. Uh, what's next? Do, do, do. Remove souls. We did that. Get effect container. Hmm, I'm not sure I need that anymore. All right, so let's get started on this part. Uh, enemy, open enemy info. Okay, initialize it. Hmm. Well, we don't need this world context. Just delete that. So we have initializing. And now we have to go to content browser, base enemy, area. Okay, we're gonna add the loop component. We're gonna go back and we are going to grab. No, yeah, we need this. This is gonna go in the initialize chain right here. Is fine. Okay, what's next? At the loop component initialize loop. Now we need to do state manager on state begin. I believe I already have this set up. Yep, here we go. I believe that's all we need for the loop drop system. Yeah, that's all we should need. Um, but for the sake of completion, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just get this set up properly. Um, so inventory system, enums, I don't think we need this anymore. We don't need this anymore. I think the attributes component is completely done. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and inventory panels. We're going to add a new panel. Eight. We're going to save that. And we are going to go to player info. And save that one. We need this guy. And we're going to go default inventory. We're going to add a new panel. 8. Going to go to blueprints. Advanced player controller. Player inventory control. And paneling. 8 key items. Okay. So now if we go into the items panel, we should have a new panel arranged. So now that that's set up, I already did the rest, I believe. Data assets, loop system, key items. Yeah, I already have the key items set up, and particle effects set up. So I think we're good from here. Okay. Um, so oh yeah, we gotta add the key items type. So we're gonna look for item type. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so we're done there. Now we could populate this with key items, break that, save. I believe we're done with player controller. Now in player info, we need to go to UI maps. We're going to change the bonfire selection type to stats bonfire selection. Well, like in that take. stats bonfire. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna add an entry. Oh, and we're going to add UI menu. Oh, crap. UI. It changed in 5.6 before it was up top. Sorry about that. Create one for stats. We're going to open up stats W. We're going to create one more. UI menu accept. We're going to do accept menu. Okay. I believe we're done with the player info here. Done with the panel inventory. I think we're done with base enemy. Um, Save game data. Like I said, you can organize these if you like. I'm not going to do it right now, just to save some time. Okay, we did handle duration. We did clear, we did remove, we did state manager, we did save, we did load, we initialize. Did both of these. And we verify. Yeah, we did the set base and set parent attribute. All right, I think we are done. Now I'm going to disconnect these. Ah, this has an error. That's wild. Which one is error out? Or if I disconnect this, it should stop that. One more. Okay, disconnect that. Disconnect this. All right, no more errors. So we got save. Save selected. And that close the project, reopen it. Oh, we have to do one last thing. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry about that shit. Uh, well, going into 35 minutes, but at least everything will be done correctly. I need advanced game instance. I need a new variable. That's container. Mm, okay, I believe that should fix this issue. Oh, come on. Okay, it's effect container. So now we should be good, and I think all the other ones should be good. Um, so oh, let's test it. Oh, come on, dude. My controller sucks. Okay, let's go to dummies. You're gonna do item. Let's just add a test one bomb arrows. Do probability one. Max lootable. Let's just do one. Let's give this guy some souls. I believe it's this one. Yeah. Let's give him a million just so we have something to play with. Put that here for now. I think we should be all good now, but let's test. Oh, what an idiot. Got it. That's my fault. Forgot to add. Without the stats component, that's not going to work, is it? Oh man, I gotta check that out. This one is dead. I don't know why this is still here. That was weird. That should be good. I'm ready to drop anything. All right. Hmm. Oh, there you go. All right, cool. Looks like it's working. Let me close this out. Hit play again to verify that everything is saved. Looks like everything is saved. One last thing we have to do. Yeah. Oh man, I completely completely forgot about this. On death task, player death. Get base attribute value. Completely overlooked this. I forgot this has to be set this way to fix the. This fixes the save game bug. Change this. Okay. Change this to greater than or equal to. Yeah, that should be good. So now on death, you should be able to do. Uh, it shouldn't have that save game load bug that it used to have. Okay, as far as this goes, I'm gonna have to create a new video to show you how to use the status system, but this is just really quick for testing. Uh, let's just use this one. I already have these pre set up, so 4, 4, 5. So the stat system should work now. Let's see. Oh, there you go. So that's working. To get it to give you the label, to get it to give you the label. This happens on the first try, always somewhere. This is like it's a benign error because it only happens once. And I don't know how to fix it. I've been trying to play around with it. I can't get it to work correctly. But so that the name of the status effects come up, you have to do um, main HUD. In the main HUD, we are going to go to effects applied. So as you add status effects, you have to add these there, these effects to it. So I'm just gonna, since we have depth, I'm gonna put depth, uh, effect, destined depth, and then we'll just put depth here, compile, save. So now it should tell you what's your affliction. There you go. Yeah, you gotta line that up too. I do this in my projects every time. I just fix this. Don't know why it's crooked. Zero, zero, and so let's put that down. Come on. Yikes. I suck at the UI stuff, man. Don't. Oh, yeah. Now you should be good. While we're at it, we can just go here and to size multiplier. It's, I think, 0.75 is where I have it. That way you don't get like these ginormous freaking stats bars once you start upgrading your system, just to verify. Let's test it out. Oh, I'm out of money. That's funny. Well, should be good. Actually, let's do one more fix. Let's just do one more fix so that just to make sure. Dum. Let's open this guy up. Clear status effect container. Unactivated. Let's just add rest. Let's just add rest here. So that way we know when we go to the bonfire, kill this guy. So we go to the bonfire. Now, when I open this, everything should be reset. Yeah, that's how it should be because that's how Souls games work. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Sorry it was a little bit long, but we got everything going. Now we even have the key panels of the drop system, everything pretty much done. Enjoy.